Have you ever imagined how the ancient Egyptians used to bring turquoise from the Sinai? Welcome to another riveting episode of Ancient Echoes, the series where we unravel the secrets of the ancient world. Today, we're embarking on an extraordinary journey to the heart of ancient Egypt to explore the fascinating practice of mining in Sinai. Our adventure commences in the bustling capitals of Memphis or Thebes. Picture the majestic cities filled with vibrant markets, grand temples, and the energetic hum of life. From these capitals, ancient Egyptians would organize well-planned mining expeditions. They traveled to the location known as Wadi al-Jarf, an ancient harbor on the Red Sea coast. This ancient port was remarkably active, evidenced by discoveries of storage galleries filled with boat parts and mining tools. From Wadi al-Jarf, they braved the waters of the Gulf of Suez. Picture this daring crossing, ancient boats loaded with supplies and men, navigating the often treacherous waters. Upon arrival at the port of Tel al-Marja, preparations for the arduous land journey began. Equipment was offloaded from the vessels and skillfully loaded onto donkeys, sturdy and resilient creatures essential for these expeditions. The path led them across rugged terrain to an area known as Serabit al-Khadim. This remote and harsh land was rich with one of ancient Egypt's most coveted materials, turquoise. The Egyptians believed turquoise held great protective and spiritual power, making it highly desired. They also mined copper, a vital resource for crafting tools and weapons. The significance of Serabit al-Khadim goes beyond just its minerals. It was here that they built the temple of Hathor. Hathor, the goddess of love, beauty, and mining, was deeply revered. The miners would offer sacrifices and perform rituals at her temple, seeking her favor and protection for a successful and safe mining mission. Ancient inscriptions found in this region detail their journeys and the elaborate rituals conducted in Hathor's honor. Imagine the scenes of devotion. Hard-working miners pausing their strenuous tasks to offer prayers and sacrifices, the air filled with chants and the flicker of torches. This extraordinary process of mining in Sinai reflects the ingenuity and dedication of the ancient Egyptians. It wasn't just about extracting resources. It was a well-coordinated, spiritual endeavor that showcased their reverence for the gods and their profound connection to their environment. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing tales from ancient history. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.